Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscati Learning, and we are learning from our book Amazing Science Grade 4, and I'm your teacher Ms. Nida Itaza. Welcome to the science class students. These are the virtual classroom rules for all the good students already following the rules to be focused. This is the continuation of unit number 2, growth and movement and living things. First we will review unit number 1, then reading page number 18 and 19. Then question number 2, part H and J, it's a notebook work. And then recap, and then after that one quiz. So let's get started students. So are you ready everyone? Unit number 1, understanding our bodies. What is the name of the tiny parts that make up the human body? The cells make up the human body. How many bones make up the human skeleton? 206 bones make up the human skeleton. What type of cells are found in the brain? The brain is made up of millions of nerve cells. I hope that all the students knows about it now. Start reading book page number 17 first, because we left on page number 17 that part. So start from here. Uses of plants and animals. Plants and animals are very useful to humans. How animals are useful? Cattle and sheep give us meat, milk, wool, and leather. Milk can be drunk or made into butter, yogurt, and cheese. Poultry give us meat and eggs. Fish give us good quality meat. Honeybees give us honey. They also pollinate flowers. This helps to produce fruits and seeds. Book page number 18. How plants are useful. Crops provide us with food grains. Wood from trees is useful for building houses and furniture. Cotton and jute plants give us fiber for making clothes. We get different kinds of fruits and seeds from plants. Page number 19. Some plant stems and roots store food which we eat. Some important chemicals and medicines also come from plants. Population and food needs. As the population of the world is increasing, the need of the food is also increasing. Scientists have to find ways to improve the quality of plants and animals so that they can give more meat, grain, and fruit. Better ways of growing crops and better fertilizers will lead to an increase in the population of food and other useful things. It is also important to control how big the population of the world is growing. So we can grow healthy crops if we use better fertilizers. Now some notebook work. Today is April 28 and Wednesday. Unit number 2, growth and movement and living things. We are doing question number 1. Answer the following. It's a notebook work, students. Part H. What is a bird made up of? A bird is made up of a number of tiny folded up leaves. I. Which parts of a plant can grow into a new plant? Tubers, bulbs, cuttings, and runners can grow into a new plant. Do this work in the notebook and learn it. Again, we have to do some more work, but it is very interesting. We have to do this work in a book only. Question number 3, match the plant or animal to the work it does. Book work, page number 21. These are the things you have to match with them. Okay, so let's get started. Sheep produce wool and meat. Poultry provide meat and eggs. Cattle provide milk and meat. Bees pollinate flowers and making honey. Cotton and jute plants produce fiber for making clothes. Crops provide food grains. Trees provide wood for building houses and making furniture. So that will be all for today's. But there is one homework. So students, it's very interesting homework. Only you have to draw and label the life cycle of a butterfly. It is up to you that you can draw in notebook or you want to do some creative work. Here I'm going to show you some examples or samples of the picture, so you can also make in the same way and can attach in the Google Classroom. Okay, it's all the sample pictures. Okay, you have to draw and label life cycle of a butterfly in the notebook. Okay, so now it's time to say Allah Hafiz to everyone. No, 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 no. Stop it. That's a quiz time, students. Okay, so last time we have done fill in the blanks. It's from them. A bud grows into new branches or dash. A dash is the swollen part of the potato stem. An onion is a dash. Pieces of the stem from which new plants can grow are called dash. The animals have a special dash to help them move. It's flowers. B is tuber. Third is bulb and cuttings. And then animals have special parts to help them move. Learn all the question answer, fill in the blanks. And now today we have done matching also. So do learn it, students. Have a very nice and blessed day. Allah Hafiz to everyone. Don't forget that which one is the example of exoskeleton? Yes, cockroach have hard outer covering. So that's why it's example of exoskeleton. Thank you everyone. Have a very nice and blessed day. Allah Hafiz.